Hey you guys, it's MJ. Welcome back to Pet Adventures again. So today I thought I would show you a healthy rat mix diet that you can feed for your rats. It is something that I recommend for everybody who has rats. All the ingredients are 100% healthy and basically anybody can do it. So if you want to learn how to do this, please keep watching. So I do mix everything up in a bowl. The first thing that I'm going to use is some oats. This is low sugar oats, and this is the ingredients that have the most sugar. So I would say that use just a little bit of this in your mix. And I would check the ingredients on the back too, just to make sure that there isn't too much sugar. But it does have a lot of vitamins and such in it. So add that first little portion to your bowl. And the next ingredient I'm going to be using is some veggie pasta. This is really good. Dry pasta particularly is really great for rats. So just add a couple bits of those into the bowl. And then I like to use some Cheerios. This is 100% whole grain oats Cheerios, and you can look at the ingredients in the back. I basically picked the healthiest Cheerios I could possibly get. 1 gram of sugar only. I think it's per serving or so, something like that. So it's really good. And just add a couple of those to your bowl. And now for the most healthy thing in the diet, which is the millet. Millet is always great for rats and mice. And I just take a few bits of those and put them into the bowl. And you can look in the back for the ingredients and such, but it really is just millet. And you can look at the protein and all that kind of stuff. But, you know, it's not really needed since it's already so healthy. And I just put little bits of those into the bowl, and that's basically it. These are really great ingredients, and they're very basic, and like I said, anyone can do this. So I really hope you guys decide to use this for your rats. I actually feed this every other day to my rats. You can store it in an airtight container in a cool, dry place, or you can do what I did here and just mix it up in a bowl every time you feed it to them. Either way is perfectly fine. So please subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!